So we have two boards here that are 10 inches long and two boards here that are about 6 inches each in width. All of the boards are 5 inches in height. That means this way. When we're doing it this way, it's 5 inches tall. Okay, I'm going to glue and nail all these pieces together. Okay, and now I'm going to do a base. So I have this piece to hopefully slide in there. I'm just going to nail it in place. So now, putting that aside, I use this carbon paper and this template to draw a little baby cow on a small piece of wood. And here it is, so cute. And then this, you see how thick this wood is, and this wood is thinner. And I drew his nose again so that I can have a little bit of a height to his nose. And we're going to cut him out quickly on the scroll saw. Alright, now that we've painted the whole box white, what I'm going to do is tape up the sides and stripes so that I can do black stripes. There we go. And now I'm going to do all around the rest of the sides. Okay, so we finished painting the entire box with black and white stripes. So I'm going to set that aside and let it dry, and we're going to work on our little cow now. We'll start out by painting his entire body white. For his nose piece that we're going to put on here, I'm going to paint it with this Lite Mocha. Okay, now we're going to glue the nose onto his face. And now I'm going to do his spots, I think, in his eyes. I'm using this Sharpie black paint pen. I'm going to try to do a blush of pink around his nostrils. I'm not sure it's going to work, but because I think this pink is a little too pink. I feel like I wish I had a paler pink, but I don't have it. That looks a little weird. I mean, that looks a little obscene, actually. If anyone has suggestions about how to do his nose better, please, by all means, let me know. But that's our cow. Our next task is to cut a piece of this burlap to go all the way around the box. And I've cut a piece here, but what I want to do is cut it so it's about that much, where I show about 1 inch on each side. I'm going to cut the other end off because I really want the edges kind of frayed. There we go. So we'll have it like this. I'm going to try to pull it out like this. If you can see that, see how I pull off some of the strings so the edges are frayed. It's going to be on both sides like that. Okay, so I'm going to just put a few dabs of hot glue on here to keep this guy in place. Now I'm going to take a piece of this plaid ribbon and try to make a bow out of it. So I've taken a length of it, and I've completely forgot how to make tails. I'm just going to fold it and make the bow part of it. And I'm going to take a piece of twine, just secure that at the back in the middle, and I'll squinch it down like this. Okay, like that. Then I'll fluff it up on the edges a little bit because it has wire inside of it. Cut off the excess twine. And then I'm going to use some rope that this is the rope I had, and I just took apart the strings of it to make this little topper for my bow. I'll glue that on. Glue this guy on to the box. Let's put it right here. And now we can glue the cow on here too. And that is our box completed. You can put something like some hay in here or whatever. Some tissue paper. This could be some type of gift box. I think because of the little baby cow on there, you could make this a gift box for like a baby shower gift, like some onesies and some bibs or whatever. And you could put them in there, wrap it up nice, and the mom could keep this type of gift for a long time and to put other things in. And that's our little cow basket. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And comment below. Tell me what you think. Thanks for watching. See you next time.